now we are taking the last topic of our chapter, that is of the recent developments in India, that is the growing consensus. Now, what were the people now generally agreeing on a point? People were having one, you can say one suggestion or the one agreement, the points that were discussed in the political system of the country. Number one, it was the agreement on the new economic policies. New economic policies that were started by any government. Now maximum people, maximum political leaders, they were agreeing to it, because naturally if the new economic policy is being coming, maybe it is for some of the industries is to be come on, maybe it was for the multinational corporations, maybe it was for the globalization. So any policy that is being related with the economy of the country, naturally all were thinking that if the economy will grow, naturally the prosperity will come to the country. So all the parties, nearly all the parties, they consented, they have a common consensus on these economic policies. Number two, it was the acceptance of the political and social claims of the backward classes. Now, in the constitution, certain seats were reserved for the scheduled castes, certain seats were reserved for the scheduled tribes. Yet some of the opposition was there on some of the point. But now the people, now the political leaders or the political parties, now they come to understand that without saying or without suggesting the ways for them, or without having consent to that thing, that yes, their seat must be reserved in the education, their seats must be reserved in the employment. So this was a general consensus now again took place in all the political parties. Now all the political parties in their manifesto, they were talking about that they are going to do this thing for the backward classes, they are going to do this much of the employment criteria, going to raise employment criteria in their manifesto. So if their party will form the government, naturally they will do this thing for the backward classes, they will do this thing for the backward classes. So now it was a general consensus among the political parties that they are going to do for the backward classes. So now it was not a great difference between the opposition parties, or that the ruling party wants to do something for them and the opposition party, no, we will not do. It was not the phenomenon. Now, third point, acceptance of the state level parties. Now there was not a great difference between the national party and the state level party. What is a national party? That party that is present throughout the country, that is known as a national party. And the state party that is being a regional party, means that gives the identity of the state. Now maximum of this, they were supporting to form the government. If the left front parties were there or some other parties were there, so Anna DMK, that is the party from the Tamil Nadu, they were supporting the Congress government to form the government at the center. So now the difference between the state level party and the national level party, now it was very less, no, negligible rather I would say. So it was not a very great difference between the national party, and the role of the state parties was becoming more and more important with the time. Now, fourth point is emphasis political consideration rather than the political ideologies. Now, the political parties were interested in forming the government rather than following that this party is having this ideology, so we are not going to support this party. No, it was not so now. Now, as the NDA government was formed in 2014 elections, or NDA government was formed in 1999. Although many of the parties were not liking the ideology of the BJP government, that was the Hindutva, yet they supported the NDA government for formation of the government. So now the political considerations were given more importance than the political ideologies of that particular party. So with that we are going to end this chapter, and you are being given in the end of your PDF, one assignment is also given to you, and tomorrow we are going to discuss all the application based questions of this chapters. So this question is very, very important. A very interesting question also, that is growing consensus among the political parties, growing consensus among the people of India. So these are the 4 points.